Hi, everybody. We're going to do another social studies lesson. We've already learned about goods and services, right? Goods are things that you can buy, like clothing and food, right? Cars. Services are things that people provide for you. A teacher provides education, they teach you. Okay, a doctor helps you when you're sick, a nurse, a policeman, they all provide you with a service. Okay, so a good is something you buy, like groceries or clothing, and a service is something that someone does for you. Okay, so now we're going to talk about needs and wants. What's the difference between a need and a want? Well, if you can look at our slide right here, a need is something that you need in order to live or to survive. And that would be shelter, which means, like a house or an apartment, um, water, air, clothing, and food. You need those things to survive. What are some wants? Wants are things that we want to have or we would like to have, like a bicycle or chocolate or candy or a whistle, or you can see here toys or video games. Video games are not a need. Video games are a want. Okay, so those are the difference between needs and wants. This next slide that you're going to do is this is Brain Pop Junior. You should know about Brain Pop Junior. You should have watched some Brain Pop Junior in your first grade class. This is a Brain Pop Junior, and it's all about needs and wants, and it's super cute and fun. And then we have one more slide, very quick Google slide lesson today. And this is a piece of paper that I copied that you would have done in class. And it says needs and wants. A need is something you must have to survive. Needs keep your body safe and healthy. Air to breathe and water is a need. Water to drink and clothing to wear are both needs. A want is something you would like to have. A toy to play with and candy to eat are wants. A bicycle and a television are also wants. Okay? So it says here, is it a want or a need? Circle the needs. So you're going to put a circle around food. Yes. Put an X on the wants. So I'm just going to do this one for you. So if you click on it, a box will come up. If this is a need, you're just going to make a O or a 0. Okay, you're just going to type in an O or a 0 because that's like a circle. All right, if it's a want, you're going to type in an X. All right, do we need healthy food to survive, to live? Yes. So that is a need. So you need to type in an O or a 0 because that's a circle. And do that on each one of these. Then I would like you to get a pencil and paper. And there was a lot of paper provided to you in the packets. Blank paper that just has lines on it for you, our writing paper lines with the little dashes down the middle. Use one of those, and I want you to look here. Something I need is, okay, that's a sentence frame to get you started. So you're going to write on your paper, something I need is, remember, need is something that you have to survive. So I want you to write it down. Something I need is, write it down on your paper and make sure you put a period. Then their next sentence is going to say, something I want is. And remember, a want is something you just want. You just would like to have it for fun, okay? So I want you to write those two sentences. Make sure there's a period on the end, all right? So it's a very short lesson today about needs and wants. Bye, you guys.